Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to learn about string functions in Python. So let's get started. First, let's create our Python file. Let's name it. Let's take an example here. Let's say name equal to. So this will be our example. Now let's say we want to check the length of this string. How can we do that? Let's directly print that. Print length of name. Now if we run this, there you go, this is saying 16. If we count this including the spaces, this will be 16. Okay, now let's see another one. So this upper function will make the string in uppercase. Let's see. There you go, our string is in uppercase now. We can also make this in lowercase. Let's see. Print name dot. Now if we run this, there you go, we have this lowercase string. Now let's see another one. Print, let's say replace. We can replace our strings word. Let's say I want to replace this human with another word. Let's say man. What will happen? This will replace this word with this one. Let's see. There you go, Trump is a man. Okay, what happens if there are multiple words that we want to replace? Let's see. Human. What will happen now? This will replace all the word we are using here. You see, this is working just fine. Okay, now let's see another one. So using this find function, we can search for objects in strings. Let's say I want to search this P. Let's say P. What will be the output? The output will be its index number. What's the problem? Oops, we forgot to add our variable name. Okay, let's see. There you go, this is number 4. T is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the index number of P is 4. That's why we are getting this 4. Okay, now let's see another one. With this Startswith function, we can see if our string is starting with the objects we want. Let's say this string is starting with TRU or TR only. Now what will be the output? The output will be true. There you go, because this name variable starts with this TR. Okay, let's say we want to see is this ending with or ends with the object we want. So let's say man. So let's see, this is true because this is ending with man. Okay, now there are almost 50 string functions in Python, but you don't have to remember them. We can use them without even memorizing. First, go to ChatGPT or any other AI like Gemini and search, let's say give me string functions in Python. This will give us the string functions in Python. There you go. There's more, but let's see, we want a function that will capitalize the first letter of every word in our string. How can we do that? Let's search for this will show us the result. Let's see. There you go. First we have this variable where this is the string, and we have this new variable where we have stored the desired output. Now if we print this, the output will be our desired output. Okay, let's see if this works or not. Now if we use this title, print, let's say name dot title. Now let's see if this works or not. There you go. So that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.